Hello guys, another vlog. Anyway, as you guys can see, oh, 'di ba? Palabas ako ng trabaho. Ang init na guys. Mag-time check tayo mamaya sa sasakyan. Kung mahanap ko na sa yung sasakyan ko. Anyway, ang vlog natin today, updated lang tungkol dun sa aking dental implant. Kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ko, nandito siya. Teka lang, magkwentuhan tayo sa sakya. Ang init guys. It's hot. Ayan, magpapalit ako ng sapatos. Kasi yung sapatos natin, ano pa yun pantrabaho. Nagmamadali ako kasi yung appointment ko guys is tawag nito 11. Init! Oh my God! Okay, pasok na tayo sa loob. Okay, kwentuhan tayo ng kaunti. Nagmamadali ako kasi yung aking dental appointment is 11 o'clock. Ngayon, time check tayo. Time check. It's 11:02. Ngayon, nagmamadali nga ako kasi yung dental implant ko ngayon, today is the day na mag-i-implant sila sa akin. Today is the day na mag-i-implant. Appointment ko pa ulit-ulit no? Ang appointment ko is 11 o'clock. Ako ay nagmamadali. Ang kagandahan dito guys, doon sa opisina ng doktor ko, sabi ko sa kanila, malilate ako ng, I don't know, whatever, how many minutes it takes to go to my dental office. Pero naintindihan naman nila. And like I said, kung hindi nyo pa napapanood yung video ko, watch this video and this video. Ayan. Kasi nga, I tried to i-documents yung aking dental implant. Kung hindi nyo pa guys alam ano yung ibig sabihin ng dental implant, is lalagyan nila ng tornilyo. Yung binunot na ipin, yung bakante na gum, they're gonna put 2 screws. Ayan. Yun ang sabi nila sa akin. Oh my God. Ako yung semay. Hindi niyo makita kasi yung oh my goodness. Yan. Yung sabi ng dentist ko, 3 kasi yung missing teeth. Kwentuhan tayo habang nagda-drive ako. Hopefully hindi ako mabangga. Patay ako pag ako nabangga. Mahal pa naman ng dito. Yeah. 3 yung missing teeth. 3 siya, 3 yung bakante, tapos 2 tornilyo lang ang ilalagay. So medyo nene-nervyos ang ate ninyo kasi hindi ko alam or wala akong ka-idea kung ano yung pakiramdam na bubutasan yung bagang mo dito. Yung buto mo dito, my jaw, they're gonna drill it. As far as I know, yun ang expectation ko. They're gonna drill it and then they're gonna implant or planting. They're gonna put the screws. Ayun, yun ang pagkakaalam kong gagawin namin ngayon. Tapos, pag nailagay na nila yung tornilyo sa gum, what's gonna happen, I'm gonna wait, I don't know how many weeks, maybe 2 months, maybe, to heal up. And then, pag heal up na siya, doon na ilalagay yung ipin. Yung tama ako. Tama ako ng pagkakaintindi. Yeah, kasi nung diba, nung sa last video ko, nag CT scan. Yung purpose ng CT scan, gusto nilang malaman for assurance na everything is okay after nag-heal. Ayan. Kasi binunutan ako kung tama ba ako, mali, 6 week ata. Tapos syempre gumaling na yung mga gum, 'di ba? Kasi mabilis naman gumaling yung mga bunot, 'di ba? yun, nag-CT scan ako ng Monday para malaman kung walang namang problema o walang issue. And today is Thursday, i-drill na nila. So, balikan ko kayo mamaya, balitaan ko kayo mamaya kung makakapagkwento pa ako. Kasi sa ngayon, ang daldal ko pa eh, no? So, mamaya, I don't know. Guys, I'm a little bit scared. I just can't imagine myself na they're gonna implant the titanium screws to my jaw. Nandito kasi ako sa road. Napakita ko sa inyo guys yung itsura ng harapan. Ayan ang ating ganap-ganap. Oh, I'm gonna make it. Oh, ayan yung ganap guys. Papunta na naman ako I'm going to my dentist appointment today at 11 o'clock a.m. Yan. So, ganyan. Mga school bus guys. Oh, hindi ko lang kung saan pupunta yung school bus. Hindi pa naman uwian. So that's it for now guys. Kung ano man changes, kung ano man pagbabago sa ano ko ngayon, sa appointment ko ngayon, balitaan ko kayo. Kasi baka mamaya mapahaba na naman yung vlog natin. Ma-bored na naman kayo sa akin. Kung napapansin nyo guys, sa mga vlog ko, ayan oh. Puro sweet corn yan guys. Puro sweet corn. Yung ano nga pala namin, kung hindi nyo pa alam, yung aking lugar ay para siyang, ang tawag nila kasi dito sa amin, or sa Amerika, sa Pilipinas parang probinsya. Pero dito sa Amerika, ang tawag nila county. Na country, may R. Pero dito, walang R, county lang. Parang county, slang. County.
Okay!
Guys, di ba nyo napapansin? Daldal ako ng daldal. Kinakalma ko lang yung sarili ko. I'm trying to calm myself. I can do this. I'm not nervous at all. Can you tell? Yeah. So anyway, yun lang muna siguro ang maikukwento ko sa inyo. I'll be back and updated kayo mamaya pagkatapos ng ating implant. That's it for now. Nandito na tayo guys. Nandito na naman tayo sa opisina. Naghihintay tayo ng ano. We're just waiting for our turn. Waiting. Medyo nine-nervous ako. Seriously, I'm really worried. Not worried. I'm just scared for the pain. That's it. I'm back. As you guys can see, I put what do you call this one? Let me show you what I put in my mouth. I put some this one. What do you call this one? When your mouth is dry and blister, I put this one like this. Because the reason why I put this one, kasi they've been open my mouth like as wide as possible. I hope you guys understand me. I'm sorry. Anyway, look at my mouth. It's a little bit red, especially in this corner. I don't have Vaseline petroleum jelly, so I thought this chapstick will help out to suit out, kind of moist a little bit. Kasi nga, they've been stretching my mouth. Can you tell? It's red. So tomorrow I'll probably I have it felt like scratch or something, you know. I felt like my mouth gonna get ripped. So it's really painful. Yeah, because you know, when you go to the dentist and they're doing some kind of surgery, they want to see as much as possible. But my mouth is not really big, it's small, so they're just trying to open it so they can see what they want to see. But anyway, what is my comment about my experience about dental? But let me say something first. This visit, it's supposed to be the dental implant, meaning they're gonna put the screws on my jaw, on my bone. So what is my opinion about this experience? My honest opinion is it come out good or I feel good. For me, it's 2 thumbs up. Kasi when I in this appointment, in my head, in my thoughts, I was thinking baka yung, alam niyo yung dinidrill yung ipin ninyo when they're trying to put filling. Here in US, they call it filling. In the Philippines, they call it pasta. So when they're trying to clean your teeth, to let it out, all the cavity, whatever, you know, the sounds of what is that, like tee. It's so annoying, right? So in my head, that's my expectation, because I was thinking drill, so I was expecting that would be like that loud and vibration. But honestly, I'm wrong. I definitely would say that this implant is not hurt. I mean, I don't know, after the what do you call that, the anesthesia. But my only main, I know my expectation will be hurt. I know that because I experienced to you know, like they pull your tooth. I know the feeling of pain. You know, all the people can relate, di ba? Masakit yung pag binunutan ka ng ipin. Pero first time ko na experience na nilagyan ng implant to implant the screws on my bone over here. So yung expectation ko talagang I'm not gonna lie, I was nervous, but tinatry ko lang maging strong kasi gusto ko talagang ma-experience yung implant. So sa opinion ko, implant is not bad at all. It's just the thought, and syempre you don't have any experience, you got so much thing going on in your head, diba? Kasi i-drill, but it's not painful. The vibration, it's just a little bit, kasi nga it's because all the way here. But if my implant will be here, it's more closer, it's more easy. But mine is here, what you call that, sa bagang. I don't know what you call it in English, but in Tagalog they call it bagang. Siyempre, di ba, loob na loob. Kaya nga na-stretch yung dito ko eh. Kasi ayun, no, meron na akong, I know tomorrow, ang hapdi, para akong may gas-gas. Kaya nilagyan ko na ng chapstick para mag-moist siya bukas. It's bad. But I'm okay. Other than that, it's not bad at all. Yeah, yung nervous ko, sabi ko, oh, okay. Tapos dinidrill na nila. I don't even feel or hear dinidrill ako. Bago nga pala ako guys, nagkaroon ng implant, they pull dalawang ipin. Binunot nila dalawang ipin. So, kung i-compare ko yung pagbunot at saka dun sa pag-implant ng tornilyo, mas maano pa rin yung pagbunot ng ipin. Mas ano pa rin siya, mas nerve-wracking. Kung sasabihin ko, ibang mas may tension. Ayan, I think I would say the word tension. Mas may tension siya. Yeah. Kasi ang ina-expect ko, pag i-drill, bubutasin kasi yung bone mo rito eh. I-implant ka nila yung tornilyo, di ba? So sa utak ko, mas ano siguro yun, mas tension, mas matense ako pag ganun. Pero hindi guys. No. It's more pagbunot ng ipin ang mas may ano siya, mas nakakaano yung pakiramdam. I can't even really explain exactly the proper word, but I keep saying tension or the basta it's not as bad as you think. So kung magkapera I have to cover my mouth because every time I laugh it's crooked. It's bad, but anyway, in this whole experience I would give it a thumbs up, and not only one, it's 2 thumbs up. Yeah. A little bit I would say a little bit tension because nasa bagang, kasi nga nasa loob mismo, di ba? But overall I give it a thumbs up. My expectation, my fears is nothing to worry about. So if your first time doing the dental implant, don't be afraid when they trying to put the implant in your jaw because it's not as bad as you think. It just a thought, sa isip mo lang, kasi iniisip mo bubutasin yung buto mo, ilalagay doon yung screw, ibabaon, but it's not really scary. Pumiyok na ako. It's not really scary. So, ngayon, okay, habang kukwentuhan tayo, mag-drive na rin ako. Kasi, I have to go to the pharmacy. I have to, kita nyo guys yung prescription. Ganito na. Pupunta ako sa CVS. It's our prescription here where I live para i-drop off ko yung antibiotic. Ayan. So, uwi na tayo. Tapos guys, binigyan naman nila ako ng instruction what to do and what to expect. May camera pala ako, by the way guys. If you guys notice that I keep looking down, I have a camera. I'm backing up right now. I don't want to hit somebody's car. Yung pera ko napunta na sa dental, so we can afford to get a car accident. But anyway, uuwi na tayo. Sa ngayon, okay ako. Wala akong problema. Wala akong nararamdaman. Ang magiging concern ko nito pagkatapos ng anesthesia. Pero, meron naman akong guys, meron akong pangmumog ng bunganga. Ayan, prescription nila yon. Ihuhulog ko sa pharmacy, tapos pipick upin ko. Pag tinawag, pag nag-message yung pharmacy na your medicine is ready to pick up, pipick upin ko na siya. So, yeah. Ngayon, okay lang ako, walang problema. Ang problema ko yung pagkain. Lugaw daw. Binigyan ako ng can soup. Di sa sexy tayo, di ba? Ano ba yan? Yung tawa ko nakakahiya, guys. Sorry. Tabingi yung tawa ko. Oh my Lord. So anyway, that's it for now. Punta tayo sa CVS. Ayan nga pala guys, yung ang aming pharmacy. Pharmacy library. Ano ba yan? That's our library. Biyahe na tayo. Ang ganda ng weather guys. Look at the cloud. Ang ganda niya, di ba? Oh, by the way, this is the hospital. I mean, you guys already see that. That's our hospital right there, the big building. Ngayon, diretso na tayo sa pharmacy. Uhulog natin yung ating prescription para makainom tayo ng antibiotic bukas. And ito pala guys yung itsura ng aming bangko. This is our bank. That one. Yan ang aming bangko. Ganyan ang style ng mga bangko dito sa amin guys. The weather is so beautiful. Look at the sky. It's not cloudy. It's perfect. Ito na guys, liliko na tayo. Magte-turn na tayo ng signal para bumili, ano ba yan? Yung mga Tagalog ko. Para ihulog natin yung prescription natin. Oh! Dalian natin! Ayan na. Andito tayo guys. Ayan ang aming pharmacy, CBS Pharmacy. Dito na lang ako mag-park para malapit. I decided to pumasok na lang sa loob kaysa i-drop off ko pa. Hindi ko alam. I-drop off ko na lang kaya. I don't know. Hindi ko alam, hindi ko makita yung yung line. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa CBS. Ihuhulog lang natin, oops, shoot. Ihuhulog lang natin yung ating yung ating prescription. Teka. Pasok tayo sa loob. Oh, di ko pa napapatay yung I'm leaving and then di ko pa napapatay yung sasakyan. Sumasama na naman ako. Oops. Sorry guys. Pasok tayo sa loob. Recording in process. Madali lang guys kasi we just gonna drop it off. Oh. Oh. Tapos na guys, na-drop off na natin yung ating prescription. So today, nagugutom na talaga ako. Ng oras na ba? Oh, it's 1:30. 1:30 ba? Teka lang. Time check tayo. Buksan natin yung sasakyan para malamig. Oh no. What happened? My car said it won't detect the hindi daw ma-detect yung ating susi, but I got the key. Ay nako. Ayan. Time check tayo ngayon. So, yung appointment natin kanina is 11. Pero nakarating tayo sa dentist past 11. So, 11, 12, 13, like that. Ngayon, check that time check tayo ngayon. It's 1:32. Isang oras din, But anyway, uwi na tayo at nagugutom na ako. Hindi ko alam kung anong makakain ko today. Siguro magluluto na lang ako ng ramen noodles. So, see you guys later kung anong mga ganap-ganap for today. Hello guys, can you hear me? Gumamit na ako ng mic guys, so you guys can hear me. Anyway, di ba sabi ko sa inyo kanina, I'm hungry. So, my meal is peanut butter sandwich. Di ako makakain ng kanin lang. Siyempre, di ako makakain ng kanin kasi hindi naman tayo kakain ng kanin lang, di ba? Kailangan merong ulam. Hindi ako maka-chew hindi ako makanguya guys ng karne. So, ang recommenda sa akin sa dentist, soup. Campbell soup. Ayan, ganito. Hindi naman ako mabubusog nito guys. Kaya, ko ng peanut butter sandwich kasi wala naman tayong dito, cheese whiz. Kung may cheese whiz sana, di ba? Wala eh. Ganyan talaga pag wala ka sa Pilipinas. Ito guys, ang aking lunch for today. Ito guys, nam. Kasi, from here to here, nam siya guys. Especially dito, nam siya talaga. Kaya pag kumain, wala talaga siyang pakiramdam. So, nahihirapan akong kumain kasi pag lumulunok ako, parang nahihirapan akong lumunok kasi nga manihid. Kaya siguro, de-recommend talaga yung may soft, yung may soup lang. I can even say the words kasi bunga ako, tumatabingi. Goodness. Miinom ako ng soup, guys, ng may sabaw. Kahit mainit sa labas. Para lang malamanan yung tiyan ko. Sabi sa akin ng dentist, yung numb down niya, yung manhid niya, matatanggal in like 8 hours. O di, malayo pa. Ano pa lang ngayon? 2 o'clock. So, I got 6 more hours. But even though matanggal yung kanyang manhid, I'm still can't eat hard or I can't still chew meat. Dito, pwede siguro. Yeah. Pero as of now, tabingi. Kaya hindi rin ako makakanguya. Ang hirap ngumaya, guys. Hindi ko manguya. Lunok-lunok na lang talaga. Hindi ko naman feel kumain ng arroz caldo kasi mainit dito ngayon. Kaya siguro tinapay. Sana may cheese whiz tayo dito. Wala, peanut butter sandwich lang. Yeah. Nakakanguya ako dito, guys. Tubingi nga lang. So, I think that's all for now, guys. My journey for today. Oh my God, ang hirap. Hirap umaya. Updated ko na lang kayo bukas kung what's going on. Kasi today is Thursday, tomorrow is Friday, at saka vacation day. Akala ko, pagkatapos ako nilang lagyan dito ng ang daming tahi guys kasi ewan ko kung anong ginawa, pero parang basta siguro sinigurado nilang siya, talagang how you say that, sealed. Kasi 'di ba pag kumakain tayo, malalagyan ng pagkain, baka magkaroon ng infection. Yun yung ayaw natin magkaroon ng ayun yung ayaw nating mangyari, magkaroon tayo ng infection kasi mas lalong matagal yung process. But yeah, nag-take ako ng vacation sa Friday. So today, nag-take ako ng vacation today, ngayon yung ginawa. So, yung healing ko is start tomorrow. Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday. So, sa 4 days na yun, siguro medyo okay na siya. Tapos, sabi sa akin ng aking, ang tawag nito, dun sa dentista, yung nag-a-assist, sabi niya is 3 months daw bago
ilagay na yung ano niya, yung ipin, yung bridge. So, updated ko na lang kayo uli kapag halimbawa dumating yung time ng 3 months, updated ko uli kayo. So, yeah, that's it for now. I'm glad I took a vacation day kasi parang nabanggit din niya na relax lang daw ako, wag daw akong magbuhat-buhat. Siguro kasi may tahi, no? I mean, malayo sa bituka. And I feel okay right now because I'm numb. But I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a pain later on pag natanggal na yung numbness niya. Pero binigyan naman ako ng pain reliever. Ibuprofen lang, okay na yun. So, I think that's it. And then if everything come out surprise, I'm just gonna let you guys know. So, thank you for watching again. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell para every time I upload. It's so hard. I'm so sorry. Oh my God. It's so numb. Every time. Okay. Seryoso na tayo. Please don't forget to click the notification bell para every time I upload, you always get notified. So thank you guys. Thank you for supporting my channel. And thank you for all the people that sending me a message. I mean, I do really appreciate it so much. You guys have no idea how you guys give me happiness. It makes my day, how you said that, excited. Kasi kung minsan, yung mga comment nila, meron pa nga akong isang subscriber, yung message niya talaga, ang haba. I mean, you can tell that he or she, I don't remember, talagang pinanood niya from the beginning to the end. Kasi memorize niya lahat yung mga ganap-ganap doon sa video nito. So, if you guys, if you watching this video, thank you again, and I appreciate. Ang hirap guys magsalita. It's so hard to talk. My other faces is numb. All right, that's it for now, guys, and thank you again. Paalam. Bye-bye. Kain po tayo. Soup. Campbell Soup sa Amerika. Oh my God.